everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Lace overlay dress, and I got some flat shoes with pearls on them. That's my outfit. So the meal was potato salad, baked beans, rice and peas, and jerk chicken with a roll, and it was so good. 10 out of 10, I would recommend.
Let me Here's another thing I want to say.
Channel member shout out. Lara, Boss Killer, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix. Tracy, Positive Corner. Global Empire ENT Media. Kicking It with the Rooks. Just Call Me Sammy. Tasha T. Nate the Great Podcast 2.0. Always That Girl 1. Join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. Sandra J8113. Leticia's Third Eye Point of View. Dave's Adventures. Boss Life Online. First Lady Pink Parisian Visionaire. It's your positive quote from Maya Angelou. I've learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you make them feel. It's so important to not just talk about being of love, but proving it by your actions. Words are cheap. It's easy to say you love people and you care about people, but really, behind your back, what are people going to say about you? What will your legacy be? It's one thing to ascribe yourself to faith, but it's a whole nother scenario, a whole nother story to actually live by what you say. So leave a good legacy. Teach people how to treat you, because it's important to make people feel good about themselves. You never know what somebody is going through. You can aid in lifting someone's heavy weight by just treating people with kindness, compassion, dignity, and kindness. So show love and be of love.
Let me take you to the beach. Let me take you out to eat. Let me take you shopping. Let's get it on and popping. Let me take you out and have some fun.